We'll guide you through how to create an app with ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the OpenAI website and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the API section, where you'll find the ChatGPT API documentation. This is where you'll get all the information you need to integrate ChatGPT into your app. Start by creating an API key, which is essential for accessing the ChatGPT services. Make sure to keep this key secure, as it's like a password to your app's brainpower. Next, you'll want to set up a development environment on your computer. You can use a code editor like Visual Studio Code or any other IDE you're comfortable with. Install the necessary SDKs or libraries that OpenAI recommends for interacting with their API. Depending on your programming language of choice, there might be specific libraries available that make this process smoother. Now, it's time to start coding. Begin by writing a basic script that sends a request to the ChatGPT API. This involves setting up an HTTP request that includes your API key and the prompt you want ChatGPT to generate responses for. Once you have your basic script working and returning responses, you can start building out more complex features. Think about how you want users to interact with your app. Do you want a chat interface or maybe a voice assistant feature? You can use frameworks like React or Angular if you're building a web app, or Swift or Kotlin for mobile apps. Remember to test your app thoroughly. Check that the responses from ChatGPT are relevant, and make adjustments to the prompts or settings as needed. Finally, when you're happy with your app, you can deploy it using platforms like Heroku or AWS. This will make your app accessible to users worldwide. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.